Hello everybody, this is Eddie with Mobile Homestead Solar Services and Mobile Homesteading, and I am working on this Country Coach 2004 Country Coach. And I found the main battery wire had never been crimped from the factory. 2004. As you can see, this lug, it's never had a crimp on it, nothing in there. Don't even like how they put the heat shrink on there. So guys, this is just a short one. I want to tell you, check your wires. One of these comes down on the non-fused side of your battery and hits your frame or ground, you're going to have nothing but a hulk where your camper used to be. So this is Eddie with Mobile Homestead Solar Services, and God bless and happy trails.
See, and we were down to about 95, 96.
Of course, you have